right, so I just kind of wanted to go over my foaling kit. It's not 100% completed yet, and I'll just tell you what things I don't have in here yet that I will probably put in here. I like to get a little husky trunk. They're super inexpensive. I think like 35 bucks at like your hardware store. They're easy to just roll around and take wherever you need. So for my foaling kit, and this is also a little bit of a broad vet kit, also anything that I need. I have Banamine just in case, usually a full new tube. I have new scissors in case you need to cut anything. They're, specifically for the kit. I also keep these little handy shot syringe tubes, and I will use these for when the foal is first born, to dunk their umbilical cord. Actually, I think it's a little bit easier. You can kind of just fill it about up to here. I pre-mix the solution and dilute it as you're recommended, and then you can kind of just put it right up until their belly button and kind of give it a little swish, and it'll keep that nice and disinfected.
And what do you use for
I
that?
use like a Novelsin of 5%, and I dilute that. I believe it's 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. And I will dunk the umbilical cord the first maybe 24 to 48 hours, and then after I'll make a little bit in a spray bottle and I'll just spray it. That way it doesn't get it super wet and moist, but it does keep it from getting any kind of infection or anything like that. And I just have like some other little things. I have some gloves in case you need gloves. I do have my pool test strips to test pH of milk. Typically mares will drop around a 6 in their pH, so they'll be a little bit lower than this color. That's if your mare, you can easily access their milk. And then I have a bunch of other fun stuff. I have lots of towels to help dry the foal. Both regular big towels and little smaller ones in case I need. I have some lubrication just in case you need anything like that. I have some tail wrap and vet wrap. I also have in here somewhere, everything's so packed in. This is also kind of my regular vet kit too. So I have a baby bottle. And I also keep extra clean nipples in case you need to milk your mare if your foal is not nursing right away and you need to get some colostrum in it. I kind of just keep like extra things in here. I have some alcohol. I have some eye wash, just simple stuff in here that I just kind of keep in my normal foaling vet kit. A couple things that I will also add into here, I'll probably pick up an enema just in case, if the foal is not passing manure and things as it's supposed to. I'll also you can either get like a trash bag, or some people will put a bucket for the placenta, so that way you can put it in something clean and store it. And I usually try to keep it in a shady, cool place, so that way the vet can come out and examine that. Usually about 24 hours after the foal's born, when they come to check everything and do blood work. And I also like to just keep like something simple. I actually keep like a shower curtain liner just in case I need something to put on something sterile. But that's pretty much mostly my kit.
Now, is there anything just that you have the vet specifically leave for you? Like
I usually try to have them leave a shot of oxytocin in case the mare does not they do not pass their placenta right away. Anything over 4 hours, I usually start to get a little bit concerned. And of course, when the foal starts to nurse, some foals take a little bit longer. So when the foal starts to nurse, that'll also restart some of the contractions for the mare to help pass the placenta. So if that's taking a little bit longer, then that might be why your mare hasn't passed it yet. But anything past 4 hours, I would start to kind of get a little bit worried. And I would always, call your vet, talk to your vet, And as long as they say that, you know, to go ahead and give them a shot of that, then I would do that and hope that everything goes smoothly and we have a placenta and a healthy baby and a nursing baby.
Awesome.
So,
Great, thank you.
no problem.